Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn geometry. Already we studied about quadrilateral. Now we are going to learn trapezium. Constructing a trapezium when its three sides and one diagonals are given. Three sides and one diagonals are given. So, example 1, construct a trapezium boat in which BO is a parallel to DA. BO equal to 7 cm, OA equal to 6 cm, BA equal to 10 cm, TA is equal to 6 cm. Also find its area. Given BO is equal to 7 cm, OA equal to 6 cm, BA equal to 10 cm and TA equal to 6 cm. So, draw a rough diagram. B2O 7 cm, B2O 7 cm, then O2A 6 cm, O2A 6 cm, then T2A 6 cm. Draw a rough diagram to trapezium. Next O2A 6 cm, O2A 6 cm, O2A 6 cm. Next B2A 10 cm, B2A 10 cm, B2A 10 cm. B2A 10 cm. Then next T2A A to T. Okay. So that's a T2A 6 cm. T2A 6 cm. T2A 6 cm. Then join a line. Join a line O to the next O2A 6 cm, O2A 6 cm. Then B2A, that is a diagonal 10 cm. Next T2A 6 cm, T2A 6 cm. Then join a line of a trapezium. Join line to trapezium. Next join the line, then extend it to the line. Join the line and extend it to the B2x. So B2x or T2x. So this point is a T. This point is a T, isn't it? So T, this one is a X. So extended line is a X. Then next trapezium. Trapezium having a right angle triangle. Trapezium having a right angle triangle, inside having it. So inside having it, this is a trapezium. So this is a right angle triangle. Draw it. Then next measure the line 5.9 centimeter. Measure the line 5.9 centimeter. Okay, 5.9 centimeter. Next, did you understand? Draw a construction. Draw a line segment B2O 7 cm. with B and O as center drawn arcs of radii 10 cm and 6 cm respectively, and let them cut at A. Let them cut at A. Join B to A and O to A. Join B to A and O to A. Then draw AX is parallel to BO. AX is parallel to BO with A as center drawn arc of radius 6 cm. AX at T. AX at T. Join BT. Boat is a rectangular trapezium. Calculation of area. Area of a trapezium of a boat 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. Area of a trapezium formula 1 by 2 h into a plus b square units. So 1 by 2 into 5.9 into 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 13. So 1 by 2 into 5.9 into 13. So cancel is 13 by 2. So 6.5. 5.9 into 6.5 we get a value 38.35 square centimeter. Did you understand? Yes. Constructing a trapezium when its three sides and one angles are given. Constructing a trapezium when its three sides and one angles are given. Three sides and one angles are given. Three sides and one angles are given. Construct a trapezium chord in which CA is parallel to. Constructing a trapezium when its three sides and one angles are given. Construct a trapezium chord in which CA is parallel to DR. CA equal to 9 cm. CAR equal to 70 degree and AR is equal to 6 cm and CD is equal to 7 cm. Also find its area. So draw a rough diagram. C to A 9 cm, C to A 9 cm and A to R 6 cm, A to R 6 cm. Then C to D 7 cm, C to D 7 cm. So take a ruler and protractor and compass. Then draw a line segment C to A 9 cm. Then draw a line segment C to A 9 cm. Draw a line segment C to A 9 cm. C to A 9 cm. Okay. Next, take a protractor. Put on A. Put on A 70 degree. So 70 degree is an acute angle. 70 degree is an acute angle. Then draw a line. Draw a line. Next R to D. Then C to D. C to D 7 cm. C to D 7 cm. Take a ruler and compass. Take C to D 7 cm. C to D 7 cm. Then next A to R 6 cm. Then A to R 6 cm. A to R 6 cm. A to R 6 cm. Then draw a extended to the line. Draw a extended to the line. Okay, extend to the line. This one is a D. Extended line is Y. Then draw it C to R. Then draw it C to D 7 cm. Then next draw a right angle triangle. So trapezium having a right angle triangle. draw it 5.6 centimeter, 5.6 centimeter, 5.6 centimeter. So then given a trapezium, C to A 9 centimeter, then A to R 6 centimeter, then next put on A 70 degree, then next this is a X, extended line is X, A to R 6 centimeter, cut into the arc, then next R, then C to D 7 centimeter, then extend the line R to Y, this one is the extended line C to D. So draw a line, then join the line. Next we got a trapezium. So right angle triangle 5.6 centimeter. Draw a line segment CA 9 centimeter. Draw a line segment CA 9 centimeter. Construct an angle CAX equal to 70 degree at A. With A as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Cutting AX at R. Draw RY parallel to CA. RY is parallel to CA. With C as center, draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter. Cutting RY at D. Join CD. Chord is a recurve trapezium. Then calculation of area. Area of a trapezium formula 1 by 2 h into a plus b square unit. 1 by 2 h into a plus b square units. 1 by 2 into h value 5.6 centimeter. So that is a right angle 5.6. Next one is a 9 plus 11 centimeter. Add it 20. Then 10 into 5.6 we get a value 56 square centimeter. Constructing a trapezium when its two sides and two angles are given. Example 3. Construct a trapezium D in which DE is parallel to NA. DA equal to 7 centimeter and EA equal to 6.5 centimeter. EDN equal to 100 degree and angle DEA equal to 70 degree. So angle center of the angle D, center of the angle E. So angle D equal to 100 degree. Then angle E equal to 70 degree. Also find its area. Then draw a rough diagram. Trapezium. Draw a rough diagram. Trapezium. C D D E A N D. Then D to E 7 centimeter. Next E to A 6.5 centimeter. E to A 6.5 centimeter. Then angle D 100 degree. Then next angle E 70 degree. Angle E 70 degree. Next draw a line segment D to E. Draw a line segment D to E 7 centimeter. D to E 7 centimeter. Then next angle E to, then take a protractor, put on D 100 degree. 100 degree is acute angle or obtuse angle? Obtuse angle. So draw a line and extend it through the line. Okay. Next take a protractor, put on E 70 degree. It is an acute angle. It is an acute angle. Draw a line. So this one is a X, this one is a Z. Next, E to A 6.5 centimeter. E to A 6.5 centimeter. E to A 6.5 centimeter. Then extended to the line. Extended to the line Y. This is Y. Then next, this one is a 5.8 centimeter. 5.8 centimeter. This is a 5.8 centimeter. So measure the angle 5.8 centimeter. Next one. So trapezium inside having a right angle triangle. So this side it. So draw a line and measure the line 6.1 centimeter. Okay, do you understand? Then next, D is 100 degree and E is a 70 degree. So now we got a trapezium. Okay. Construction. Draw a line segment DE equal to 7 centimeter. Draw a line segment DE equal to 7 centimeter. Construct an angle DEX. So center of the angle E. Angle E is 70 degree at E. That is at E is a angle E. Okay. Construct an angle DEX equal to 70 degree at E. With E as center, draw an arc of radius 6.5 centimeter. Center, draw an arc of radius 6.5 centimeter. Cutting EX at A. EX at A. With ES center, draw an arc of radius 6.5 centimeter. Cutting EX at A. Next, draw AY is parallel to. So parallel symbol like this. Okay, parallel symbol like this to DE. Draw AY parallel to DE. Next, construct an angle EDZ. So which one is an angle 100 degree? 100 degree D. So D is 100 degree. Angle D equal to 100 degree at D. Cutting AY at N. AY at N. D is a rectangular trapezium. T is a rectangular trapezium. Next, calculation area. Area of a trapezium equal to 1 by 2 h into a plus b square unit. 1 by 2 h into a plus b square unit. 1 by 2 into 6.1 into 7 plus 5.8. So cancel it. 3.05 into 12.8. We get a value 39.04 square centimeter. So area of a trapezium formula 39.04 square centimeter. Constructing a trapezium when its 4 sides are given. First 1 sides are given, then 2 sides, another one is a 3 sides. Now having a 4 sides are given. So construct a trapezium disc in which D is parallel to KS. D is parallel to KS. DE equal to 8 centimeter. DE equal to 8 centimeter and ES equal to 5.5 centimeter. KS equal to 5 centimeter and KD equal to 6 centimeter. Find also its area. So first draw a rough diagram. Draw a rough diagram. Trapezium. Rough diagram. Trapezium for disc. DESK, desk. So D to E 8 centimeter, E to S 5.5 centimeter, then D to K 6 centimeter, then K to S 5 centimeter. Okay, next, so take a compass and protractor ruler. So draw D to E 8 centimeter, D to E 8 centimeter, D E 8 centimeter. Then next, E to S 5.5 centimeter, E to S, take a ruler, measure the compass 5.5 centimeter, E to S. Okay, next, D to K 6 centimeter, D to K 6 centimeter, D to K 6 centimeter. Next, S to K 5 centimeter, S to K 5 centimeter. This one is a S to K 5 centimeter. Then K to S 5 centimeter, K to S 5 centimeter. Adjust the arc, D to K, then join the line, E to S, then K to S. Okay, DESK, DESK. So next, so trapezium, right angle triangle, then next another right angle triangle. So two sides, isn't it? 5.5 centimeter. Then this line having a 6 centimeter. This line is a 6 centimeter and arc 5 centimeter. This one is a 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so next, this angle is A. So this side is a A. So this is a square. This is a square. Construction, draw a line segment D to E 8 centimeter. Make the point A and DE such that DA equal to 5 centimeter. With A and ES centers, draw an arc of radii 6 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter respectively. Let them cut at S. Join AS and ES. Join AS and ES. With D and S are centers, draw an arc of radii 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Let them cut at K. Join DK and KS. Join DK and KS. Disk is a recurve trapezium. Disk is a recurve trapezium. Then calculation area of a trapezium disk equal to 1 by 2 h into a plus b square units. So h 5.5, then a value 8 and b value 5. So 1 by 2 into 5.5 into 13. So cancel is 13 by 2. So we get a value. So 5.5 into 6.5, we get a value 35.75 square centimeter. Thank you students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.